Hi, in this section, we discuss about universal gates. What are universal gates? Universal gates is nothing but NAND gate and NOR gate called as universal gates. Why they called as universal gates? Because the repeated use of NOR gate or NAND gate, if we get all fundamental gates like NOT and OR gates, then these are called as universal gates. Okay, repeated use of NOR gate or NAND gate. If we get OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, then these are called as universal gates. That's why the NAND and NOR gates are generally called as the digital building blocks. They are called as digital building blocks. So while construction of building, we are placing bricks now. In the similar way, if you using more times that NOR gate or NAND gate, we can get all types of the gates. Okay, in the hybrid circuits, we are generally using the NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, let us see how the NOR gate is acts as universal gate and the NAND gate is acts as universal gate. For that, from Boolean algebra, we require these formulas. Okay, what is formula for A plus A? A plus A nothing but A. A dot A nothing but A. A bar plus B bar is equal to A dot B bar. A bar dot B bar is A plus B whole bar. Complement of A bar is nothing but A. Okay, these are came from the digital Boolean algebra. Understand now? So let us see. NOR gate acts as universal gate. So first of all, by using NOR gates, we can get the NOT gate. Okay, take one NOR gate. We know the NOR gate is like this, na? Okay, let us take both inputs are as A. Okay, then what is the function of NOR gate? NOR gate, first make the R means A plus A. Okay, and NOT means complement of that one. Okay, A plus A and complement of that one. What is the value of A plus A? A plus A nothing but A now. So what you got? A bar. So output you got as A bar. What are inputs? Both are A now. So if you connected these two by a single one A. So A is now given as 2 times. You can get A bar. Okay. What is NOT gate? NOT gate has single input and single output. See here, input is single. You can get output also single. Second one, what is the input you take? It make complement of that one. That is the function of NOT gate now. So if you take A, we can get the A bar. If you take B, you can get the B bar. If you take A plus B, it can get the A plus B bar. So whatever may be the input you take, the complement is done by the NOT gate now. Understand? So it has only one input and only one output. Okay, and output is complement of input. Clear? So we are using only one NOR gate. Second one, I would like to construct OR gate. Okay, for OR gate, do one thing. Take one NOR gate. Here the inputs are A, B. Okay, in NOR gate, what we know? Output is first R After that make not means complement. Okay, let it will be some x. Now this is again connected to another NAND gate. Okay, now only we studied if one NOR gate, if it has any input, then it may complement enough. So here what is input? X. So what is the output of this one? Output of this one is X bar. Right? What is X? X is nothing but A plus B complement na, on that another complement is there. So two complements, A double complement nothing but A. So A plus B double complement is nothing but A plus B. Are you understand? So what we got? Inputs are A and B and output get A plus B. Nothing but OR gate or not. In OR gate is a logical multiplication. No? It is function of logical multiplication. So that's why you can get the A plus B means we can get OR gate now by using how many NOR gates? By using two NOR gates we can get OR gate. Okay. Now see third one. We can connect at the AND gate. For AND gate, take this one. So it is one NOR gate. Give input as A, then output is A bar na. Now take another NOR gate here. If you take B as input, then output of NOR gate is B bar na. Now these two are given to the inputs as another NOR gate. A bar and B bar is taken as inputs of another NOR gate. So another NOR gate means what is the function of NOR gate? Inputs A bar and B bar. First make OR means addition. Then NOT means complement. NOT means complement. OR means A bar plus B bar. So let us see A bar plus B bar formula is A bar plus B bar formula A dot B complement now. A bar plus B bar A dot B complement, and we have another complement. Two complements of two values cancel. You got A dot B. So what you take A and B as two inputs, we get only one output. That output is A dot B. A dot B nothing but AND gate now. Understand? So for construction of AND gate, we need three NOR gates. For construction of OR gate, we need two NOR gates. For construction of NAT gate, we can need one NOR gate. Understand? So by using NOR gate, we get all fundamental gates like NOT, OR and NAND now. That's why it is called as universal gate. Understand? Please note it down. Next, NAND gate as universal gate. Okay. Please concentrate about the logic gates. In the last 5 to 6 years, in all NEET papers, numericals are related to logic gates will be given. So if you understand all these gates, then only numericals are very easy. Please concentrate. Okay, let us see about the NAND gate. First of all, we may construct the NOT gate by only using the NAND gates. So take one NAND gate here. Okay, let both inputs are taken as A only. Then if it is A, here also A and A na. So what is the function of NAND gate? First make AND. AND means A dot A. After that NOT. NOT means complement of that. Okay. So what is the output you got? Y is equal to A dot A. A dot A nothing but A na. So A bar. Input is A. Output is A bar. Single input and you can get the single output. That means it is NOT gate now. Understand? So if you want NOT gate, just we can use one NAND gate. Clear? Second one, AND gate. We may construct the AND gate by using only NAND gates. For this, take one NAND gate here. Okay. Inputs are taken as A and B. Then what is the output? Output is X is equal to first AND means A dot B. Next NOT means A bar. Okay. Now this is given as two inputs for another NAND gate. Okay, this is similar to this one or not? So whatever may be the input you given, it just make a complement. So here input is A dot B bar. So output is complement of this one. Complement of this one means X bar. Nothing but A dot B complement whole bar. A double complement value A now. So A dot B double complement value is A dot B. So inputs are AB, output you get A dot B. Nothing but AND gate now. It is a function of AND gate. Clear or not? Next, third one, OR gate. Okay, for OR gate, take one NAND gate. Okay, now both are connected to A, and take another NAND gate. Okay, so both inputs are given to B. So if it is A and it is B, see, A is given, output is A bar. So here it is A bar. B is given, output is B bar now. Okay. Now these two outputs are taken as inputs for another NAND gate. These outputs are taken as inputs for the another NAND gate. If you given inputs as another NAND gate, so what is the function of NAND gate? A bar dot B bar first, then complement of that one. Okay, so what is the value of Y? Y is equal to A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar, nothing but A plus B complement, and we have another complement. Okay, so both complements are cancelled. Then what you got? A plus B. So if you take two inputs as A and B, we get A plus B, nothing but OR gate now. So for construction of OR gate, we need 3 NAND gates. For construction of AND gate, we need 2 NAND gates. For construction of NOT gate, we need only 1 NAND gate. Is it clear? That's why NOR and NAND gates are called as the universal gates. Understand? So by using NAND and NOR repeatedly, we get all fundamental gates like NOT and OR gates. Clear? Thank you.